Did you know there's a juice for every illness?
Acne.
Pear, plum, grapes, tomato.
Asthma.
Apricot, lemon, peach, carrot, radish and celery. Acidity. Grapes, orange, sweet lime, carrot and spinach. Diabetes.
Citrus fruits, celery, lettuce, spinach, carrots. Constipation.
Carrot, apple, spinach.
High blood pressure.
Grapes, orange, carrot, beetroot.
Diarrhea.
Papaya, lemon, pineapple, carrot, celery.
Memory loss.
Peach, banana, lime.
Jaundice.
Pear, grapes, carrot, celery, spinach, cucumber, lemon.
Heart diseases.
Beet, spinach, red grapes, lemon, cucumber, carrot, grapefruit.